You'll be surprised how easy it is to replace the battery with no special tools required. So join me for a full step-by-step replacement, including info on the battery size and what to expect after installation. The battery is hidden under this cover, supposed to be held in place with 4 clips. You just need to unlock them by turning it 90 degrees. Before working on anything else, you need to disconnect the negative terminal completely, but I made a separate video explaining all of that, so I'll post a link at the end of this video. The bonnet can open to the service position, which is almost fully upright. Just look for a red button on the bonnet dampers, but if you don't have those, you should be able to push it open. Then you'll most likely have a bracket over the battery, which this one didn't have, but loosen that first and then the bracket down here at the base of the battery. Tuck your cables away not only for easy removal, but to prevent damage to them as well. The dimensions are quite important for a snug fit, so I'll share some info on this battery a bit later. For now, start by installing the brackets and then the positive terminal first. If you find these videos helpful, I hope we've earned your subscription by now, but even a like or a super thanks will be appreciated. The terminal should be positioned low on the tapered post to prevent loose connections down the line. Extend the clamp with a screwdriver if you need to before tightening. Then lastly, connect the negative terminal and install the cover. You'll definitely want to opt for an enhanced flooded battery or even an AGM, even though this model didn't have stop-start. But a 70 amp hour battery should match these dimensions, which is the biggest size that will fit here. But to make it easier, I'll post links in the description for the size used in this video. You shouldn't have any warnings on startup, and no radio code is necessary. Even the one-touch windows still work. There's a sequence for disconnecting and connecting the terminals, and it's all explained in this next video.